Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So we are going to do a monthly reading for Libra for the month of September 2025. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have. In this reading we will see the overall energy for the month, obstacles or challenges which might come, and what action or advice you need to take, or what will be the strength and opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end of the video we will also take a guiding message from the Ancestors Oracle deck, so please do stay till the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please do that. You will also get the daily energy updates which I upload every day, and the guidance on how to deal with those energies. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have for you. Libra. For Libra, so overall energy for September 2025 for Libra. Okay, all right. Okay, it's a world card, so let me flip it up for now. Alright, okay. Bottom of the deck we have the Temperance. So it's like something you are trying to work on. It can be in different things, like what I see for some of you, it can be you are trying to create a balance between two different things. Maybe for some of you it can be trying to create a balance between your work life and personal life. For some of you, I see you are trying to create balance in your with your emotions somewhere. Okay, you are dealing with your emotions and trying to fit into the situation you are dealing with, and it is not an easy situation. थोड़ा difficult time है and you are trying your best to create a balance to deal with that situation. Okay, so it's like somewhere you are emotionally drained and you are not able to think clearly what you actually need to do, and you are just trying to go with the flow. Okay, that is what I see. Now overall energy for the month of September for you Libra, I see is there can be a situation which will be an unexpected thing. It can be an unexpected obstacle or a challenge coming your way. कुछ ऐसा अचानक से हो सकता है जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया हो. Just a second. आई सी कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. इट्स लाइक यू आर इन दिस एनर्जी ऑफ गोइंग विद द फ्लो एंड मैनेजिंग थिंग्स एंड लेट द यूनिवर्स टेक केयर ऑफ इट, दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी. एंड सडनली a bomb is dropped on you. Okay, that now you deal with this, that kind of situation I am seeing happening here. कुछ unexpected challenge आ रहा है जो आपको थोड़ा सा आपको आपके इमोशंस को, आपके मोटिवेशंस को, आपके बिलीव्स को थोड़ा शेक कर सकता है. बट आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू डील विद दैट सिचुएशन विद योर लीडरशिप स्किल्स, विद इंटेलेक्ट, विद ऑल द नॉलेज यू हैव, विद ऑल द एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव. आपको उस सिचुएशन को अपना सारा एक्सपीरियंस, सारा तजुर्बा लेके डील करना है. गिव अप नहीं करना है सिचुएशन पे. एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीवन, नॉट ओनली योर सेल्फ. ओके, सो ईगो में लेके सिचुएशन को डील नहीं करना है. बहुत प्रैक्टिकली, लॉजिकली और सबके ओपिनियन को ध्यान में रखते हुए कोई भी एक्शन लेने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, दैट इज़ व्हाट आई सी एज द ओवरऑल एनर्जी. नाउ इट कैन बी इन योर रिलेशंस, इट कैन बी इन योर वर्क लाइफ, इट कैन बी इन योर हेल्थ, इट कैन बी एनीथिंग बेसिकली. सो बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने की ज़रूरत है. एंगर में इम्पल्सिवली इमेच्योर कोई एक्शन नहीं करना है. एंगर में आके कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. ईगो में आके कोई डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखिएगा. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द की ऑब्स्टिकल्स और चैलेंज. समवेयर एज आई सेड राइट, तो यू आर गोइंग विद द फ्लो एंड maybe whatever challenge is coming in, it will help you to either give a complete closure. एक साइकिल पूरा तरह से कंप्लीट हो सकता है, या फिर आपको कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, मे बी एक डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा, विच आई सी मे बी इज़ द एडवाइस ऑल्सो. कुछ डिसीजन लेने की ज़रूरत है सो दैट यू कैन कंप्लीट अ साइकिल. नाउ इट कैन बी इन योर वर्क प्लेस. अगर ऐसे आप देखो तो आपके वर्क प्लेस में मे बी एक ऐसा कोई डिसीजन लेना है कि इट विल बी ईदर यू आर कम्प्लीटली इन और यू आर कम्प्लीटली आउट. ओके, उस तरह का सिचुएशन भी आई एम सीइंग हैपनिंग इन योर रिलेशन ऑल्सो. इट कैन बी देयर इज बिकॉज इट्स something needs to be done to complete a phase. It can be a karmic cycle also for a few of you, that you are dealing with the situation and now the time has come for you to decide. Okay, that is what I see is happening. Whatever decision you are taking, just be, listen to your intuition, think clearly what is good, what is not good, and then only take the decision. Okay, that is what I see for you as a key challenge, which may be like you have to decide so that you can complete a cycle. Okay, right now it's like you are somewhere in a loop and not deciding and going with the flow, but that will not कंटिन्यू फॉर लॉन्ग. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक आपको कोई डिसीजन लेके किसी चीज़ को कंप्लीट करना है. वो डिसीजन कोई भी हो सकता है. या तो आप, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप किसी रिश्ते में हो, तो या तो आपको उसको कमिट करना पड़ेगा या उससे बाहर जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक that's what I see the challenges, right? Because you are not able to think clearly ki exactly what do you want. Maybe in your workplace, if I see, you may be having two offers and now you are thinking, okay, let me continue this current one and let me put the other one on hold. No, you cannot do that. You will have to decide which one you want to opt. Okay, so that is what the action or advice is. Enough of being in that loop. As I said, right, the bottom of the deck, you are going with the flow and trying to balance things, but now that energy will not be, will not be taking you ahead towards growth. Okay, so अगर आप growth चाहते हो आपके life में, so you have to come out of this overthinking energy and make a decision, because you are, not thinking clearly, not deciding, and being in the loop. It's that phase is gone. Now there's a need to take a decision. Okay, whatever it is, whatever phase, whatever situation you are dealing with, there is a need to take a decision so that you can expand. Okay, that is what your strength will be basically. So once you have taken a decision, you never know, what good is going to happen with you, right? Maybe in your workplace, if you are planning to change your profile completely, you never know what kind of exposure or, learnings you will have in the new role. Okay, so that is what is happening, because there is growth. Once you decide something, it will help you to see beyond. Okay, beyond a certain level which you are not able to see right now because of overthinking. So once you have a clarity on what you want, you will start seeing things from a broader perspective. Okay, it can be in your work. Maybe you may travel to a different location, you may shift to a different location to get more exposure. If you're in business, you may think of expanding your business and, taking it to a completely different level. Okay, in your relationship, it can be like it will give you the clarity on where and how do you want to proceed further, and it will give you so much strength to think forward. Sorry. So it will give you the strength to think forward and take an action so that you can grow in your life. For that, now it's like you have to come out of the victim mindset. So whatever situation you are dealing with, once you have come out of that victim mindset, you are free to do and free to move however you want. Okay, so that is what this card is saying. You think situation is not in your hand, it is very difficult for me, I cannot do anything, my hands are tied, I am not able to see clearly, how can I take any action, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, situation मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. नहीं, everything is in your hand. You just have to come out of this victim mindset से आपको बाहर आने की ज़रूरत है. सो आपने एक बार अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कर लिया, चीज़ों को देखने का नज़रिया चेंज कर लिया, यू विल हैव सो मच ऑफ क्लैरिटी. एंड वंस योर हैंड्स आर फ्री, यू कैन ईजिली थिंक क्लियरली, सी क्लियरली, एंड मूव हाउ एवर यू वॉन्ट टू मूव, वेर एवर यू वॉन्ट टू मूव, राइट? सो इट्स लाइक you have to change your perspective to see growth in your life and to come out of this stuck energy or the situation whatever you are in right now. Okay, Libra, so let's see what's the guiding message for you from the angels and ancestors deck. What's the guiding message for you? What's that you need to do? What's the advice for Libra? Whoa, my goodness, I'm going to tell guys. Okay, so let's see, we'll take one card for you. What's happening for Libra? Yeah, great teacher. Learn from your spiritual experiences, okay? So now whatever situation you have been dealing with, आपने जो भी अभी तक फेस किया है, आप उस चीज़ से कुछ सीखने की कोशिश करिए. देखिए कि वो आपको क्या सिखा रहा है. इज़ इट लाइक कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक करते हो, आप instead of taking any action or decision, to is it that you are in the loop, तो वो आपको सिचुएशन क्या सिखा रही है. सो वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट लेसन यू विल हैव मच मोर strength and clarity to decide on anything. Okay, so that is what the reading is for you, Libra. Please do claim the positive energy. If you have liked it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.